Wow, what an amazing language. English is really amazing. It also has idioms that are associated with color. Well, can you imagine that in English you literally have a word, an idiom or a phrase which is associated with almost everything that exists on the earth. Isn't that amazing? Well, of course it is. Well, not just earth, the entire universe. Well, how about learning some beautiful, colorful idioms which you can use in your daily language? Isn't that a great idea? Well, you all are once again most welcome to Tutorials Point. Let's go ahead and learn about 5 colorful idioms for daily English usage. To wave a white flag. Well, do you all sort of come or do you all face a situation sometimes wherein you give up in an argument and then you're up for peace, you're sort of up for truce? Well, that situation is precisely what is called as to wave a white flag. So to wave a white flag means to completely give up or to agree for peace and you don't want to continue the fight anymore. And I'm sure this definitely happens. Don't we all have regular fun fights with our friends, with our colleague, with our family members? And definitely if the person with whom you are in that mode of argument, if that person happens to be headstrong, well, you are left with no option than to just wave a white flag. So it definitely is a good idea if you want to save your energy. Well, let's look at an example. While I was arguing with my mom about party, I waved a white flag. There was no point in arguing. She wasn't going to change her mind. Obviously, this is a situation that we definitely face in our daily life. And do you really think it is a good idea to continue your argument with your mom? Well, definitely not. Moms are meant to be the Hitlers of our life, and definitely it is a great idea to wave a white flag, especially when we are busy arguing with our moms. So don't forget to wave a white flag, or don't forget to use this idiom, especially whenever you have an argument going on with your mother. Black tie event. Well, that typical formal red carpet sort of event where everybody is formally dressed up in black and white, and women and men are so sharply and nicely and smartly dressed up. That sort of an event is known as a black tie event. Well, we might as well have such events in our office sometime, or for that matter, Let's look at an example. The Oscars is one of the world's most famous black tie events. Well, we all know that. We all are aware what Oscar awards are, right? So definitely those sort of events wherein you are dressed up formally, neat and clean, that is known as a black tie event. Feel blue. Well, what about the times when you are slightly upset, you are not as upbeat and you're not as high in your energy, you're not as pepped up, and you're not in the best mood? Well, that is when you are feeling blue. So, well, next time if you are not in your best mood, well, you might want to use this expression to convey what you are feeling. Can you call Sally and make her laugh? She's feeling blue after Mike left. Well, anything might just make you feel blue. So don't forget to use this idiom whenever you are feeling that way. To paint the town red. Wow, to go out and enjoy and party with full and just have full fun and amazing sort of a great time with your friends or with anybody, right? So that is when you go out and paint the town red. Don't we all love to do that during the weekends? If we get a chance to go out and enjoy ourselves, definitely we would paint the town red. Our exams are finished. Now it's time to go out, celebrate and paint the town red. Wow, lovely. We all would love to do that. And next time if you do it, do use this idiom. It will definitely convey the best, it will actually convey your feelings in the best way possible. Green thumb. Well, have you seen anybody with a green thumb? I have not, and I'm sure you won't even see anybody with a green thumb. But what does this idiom mean? Well, a person who is great with Gardening skills is said to have a green thumb. Well, talent for gardening and working with plants. So definitely there are people who love to work with plants, who love gardening, who actually enjoy this as a hobby. So such people are said to have a green thumb, and I'm sure you at least know a few such people who have a green thumb. And next time you get to meet them, well, just tell them that, dude, you have a green thumb. Okay, my grandmother has a real green thumb. Every Sunday, she's outside planting more flowers in her garden, right? So every sunny day, she's outside planting more flowers in the garden. So someone who just loves to do gardening, who just loves to spend time with plants and just take care of them is said to have a green thumb. And definitely it is a good thing to do. Well, I'm sure all these idioms are going to make your language very, very colorful, as it is they are associated with color, and we all just love colors, don't we? Well, I'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, keep learning with Tutorials Point and Tutorix. Have a good day.